Okay children, as we have seen in the previous classes about the themes of the Kurinji people. So these themes of the Kurinji people, first one is I said God, people, occupation, plant, flower, animals, birds and musical instruments. Now we are going to see one by one. So Kurinji people, God என்ன சொன்னாங்க Murugan. So they pray only Lord Murugan. Then people, what type of people are living? What they are? Kuravar. நம்ம ட்ரெயின்ல பாப்போம் இல்லையா குரவர் குரத்தியர். குரவர் and குரத்தியர். Kuravar, Kuratiyar and occupation. What are the occupation? Na avங்களுடைய work. What are the types of occupation is? Hunting, வேட்டையாடுறது. Hunting நாக்கா காட்டுல அவங்க வேட்டையாடுறது. Hunting, gathering roots. அந்த கிழங்கு வகைகள். அது வந்து gathering roots. கிழங்கு வகைகள்ல மண்ணிலிருந்து வேர்ல எடுத்து சாப்பிடுறது கிழங்கு வகைகள் gathering roots and collecting honey. Honey நாக்கா தேன். ஸோ இதுதான் எங்களுடைய ஆக்குபேஷன் வேலை. And then plant and the flower. What are the types of the plants and the flowers are growing? What are the types of the plants? We'll see. Plant is bamboo. Bamboo na moongil. And then vengai. And then flower is Kurinji flower. Kurinji poon solvanga. Kurinji flower. So this Kurinji flower only blooms once in 12 years. I think so. Kurinji flower. Okay. Now plant I said bamboo and vengai and flower is the Kurinji flower. And then animals and birds. What are the types of the animals and birds are living? So what are the types of birds? Monkey and deer. And a bird is peacock and parrot. Okay. Now musical instrument is yard. Musical instrument yard. Okay children, so God is Murugan and people is Kuravar, Kuratiyar சொல்வாங்க. Occupation is hunting and gathering roots and honey and plants and flowers. Plants in the bamboo, vengai and flower is the Kurinji flower. And animals and birds. Animals வந்து monkey and deer, bird வந்து peacock and parrot. And musical instrument is yard. Okay, so these are the themes of the Kurinji people. And now the people under occupation. What are the types of the people living there? Types of the people are 5 types of the people. So people பத்தி பார்ப்போம். So என்ன types of people and what they are doing. So people under occupation. The second one is people under occupation. First one we are seeing about the themes. Now second one is we are going to see about the people under occupation in the Kurinji area da. Okay. So Kurinji land la irukra people under occupation. That is Purpan. That is soldier. வீரர்கள். சண்டை வரும்போது போய் போர் புரியணும் இல்லையா அவங்களுக்கு பேர் பொறுப்பான். தென் வெற்பான் லீடர் ஆஃப் த ட்ரைப் அவங்களுடைய தலைவன். அந்த காலத்து ட்ரைப்ஸ் ஆதிவாசிகள் சொல்லுவாங்க த லீடர் ஆஃப் த ட்ரைப்ஸ். அண்ட் வெப்பனிஸ்ட் கையில் வெப்பன்ஸ் வச்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்லையா த வெப்பனிஸ்ட் லீடர் ஆஃப் த ட்ரைப்ஸ் அண்ட் த வெப்பனிஸ்ட். Weapons make பண்றாங்க. வெற்பான் and the leader of the tribe. And சிலம்பன் martial arts. சிலம்பம் கத்துக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Nowadays also some of the places they are teaching the சிலம்பம். So சிலம்பம் is master of martial arts. Master of கம்பு சுத்தது master of most எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும் this martial arts. This is the martial arts. The art of fighting. Martial art is art of fighting. Okay, then Kuravar. Kuravar is hunter and the gatherer. Who is the Kuravar? Hunter and gatherer. ஓகே. ஸோ குறவர்களோட தொழில் என்ன? போய் ஹண்டம்னா வேட்டையாடுறது. மான், அதாவது மான் வேட்டையாடுவாங்க, இல்லைன்னா காடை கௌதாரி அதை வேட்டையாடுவாங்க. அண்ட் த கேதரர் அதை வேட்டையாடி கொண்டு வருது. அண்ட் தென் கணவர், people of the mountainous forest. People of the mountainous forest தான் காணவர். So, Purpan, this is people and their occupation. Purpan, soldier. Vetpan, leader of the tribes or weaponist. Silambam, master of martial arts, that is art of fighting. Kuravar, hunter and gatherer, வேட்டையாடுதல். Kanavar, people of the mountainous forest. Okay, these are the types of the people. Now, what types of soil? Third one is the types of soil and the குறிஞ்சி land. அவங்களுடைய மண் வளம் எப்படி இருக்கிறது? ஸோ மவுண்டைன் வரும்போது அந்த இடத்துல வந்து மண் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஒவ்வொரு ஊரில் ஒரு மாதிரி மண் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஒரு இடத்துல இருக்கும்போது தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த சாயில் ஆஃப் குறிஞ்சி லேண்ட். த சாயில் ஆஃப் குறிஞ்சி லேண்ட். ஸோ இந்த சாயில் என்ன எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, the land of Kurunji was composed of red and black soil with stones and pebbles. So in the Kurunji land soil வந்து which is in red color and black soil, some black color with stones pebbles னா கூழாங்கற்கள் வழவழன்னு இருக்கும். ஸ்டோன்ஸ்னா இந்த கற்கள். ஓகேயா? தென் the miraculous flowers, புக்கு இருந்ததுன்னா இந்த miraculous flower உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், குறிஞ்சி flower. So this குறிஞ்சி flower, the miraculous குறிஞ்சி plant grows well in the western Ghats and the flower blooms once in 12 years. 12 இயர்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு தடவை தான் அந்த பூ பூக்கும். 12 வருடத்திற்கு ஒரு முறை. என்ன ஒரு மிராக்கல் இல்லையா? இட்ஸ் அ காட்ஸ் கிஃப்ட் ஒன்லி. பிட்வீன் த மந்த்ஸ் ஆஃப் July and September, this flower has a medicinal value. Such a nice flower, you know. Okay, this is the குறிஞ்சி flower. So this குறிஞ்சி flower plant glows well in the western Ghats and it blooms na பூக்கிறது, blooms once in 12 years between the months of July and September. So this flower has a medicinal value. And this important hills of Tamil Nadu. What are the important hills? Ippodna Jinji Hills, Kolli Hills, Shervarayan Hills, Kalvarayan Hills, Nilgiri Hills, Javad Hills and Pachai Hills. So important hills. The soil of the Kurunji land was red and black soil. Red and black soil consists of with stones and pebbles. Stones and pebbles. Okay children, and I said குறிஞ்சி flower. About a குறிஞ்சி flower, it grows in the western Ghats. Grows well in western Ghats and then blooms once in 12 years. Once in 12 years. 12 வருடத்திற்கு ஒரு முறை தான் பூக்கும். And it has between the month of July and September. Okay children, blooms once in the month between July and September. And it has a medicinal value. அதாவது மருத்துவ குணமுடைய பூ. So this is about our குறிஞ்சி land. Okay children. And some important hills. Important hills இப்போ இருக்கிறது. What are the important hills? Jinji Hills, Kolli Hills, Shervarayan Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiris, Pachamalai, and Jawad Hills. Okay, children, Sinji Hills, Kolli Hills, Shervarayan Hills, Kalvarayan Hills, Nilgiris, Pachamalai and Jawad Hills. Okay, so we are finished seeing about the Kurinji region, about the mountains, about the Kurinji land, their people, God, their occupation, then there are plants, flowers, and then animals and birds, and the musical instruments. Now we are going to see the forest. Second one is the forest. Page number 139. Forest. The forest க்கு பேர் தான் முல்லை land. காடும் காடு சார்ந்த இடமும் அதை பற்றி படிக்கிறது தான் தமிழில் சொல்லுவாங்க காடும் காடு சார்ந்த நிலமும். This is called as a முல்லை. முல்லை means a large area covered by trees. So காடுனாலே ஃபாரஸ்ட்னாலே trees தான் இருக்கும். A large area covered by trees is known as the a large area covered by trees is called as a mullai. The forest region is referred as mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam. This forest region also known as Sembulam. Also known as Sembulam. Okay, children, forest region is known as the Sembulam, and due to the presence of the red soil, Sembulam na anga red color irukradala Sembulam அப்படின்ற பேர் இந்த முல்லை region-க்கு உண்டு. So this theme, the theme வந்து அதே மாதிரி தான் God, people, occupation, plant and flower, animals and birds, and musical instruments. So now we are going to see about the themes. What are the themes of the Mullai region? So the theme of the Mullai region, what are the themes? So same thing, God, people, occupation. So what all we have learnt in this, you are going to see one by one. And fourth one is plant and flower, animals and birds, animals and birds, and then the last one is musical instruments. Musical instrument. Okay, so the God, the theme of the Mullai is God, people, as we have seen in the Mullai region. That is God, people, occupation, plant or flower, animals or birds, or the musical instruments. What are the God? Who are the God? Thirumal. So Thirumal is the God, and people is known as Idayar, Idaichiyar, Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Ayar Kulathavargal, and Aichiyar. And next one is what are the occupation? Cattle rearing. Cattle rearing means aadu maadu meekru illaya, that is cattle rearing. Then gathering fruits, palavagegala edutittu varudhu, gathering fruits. Sowing millets, sowing millets. Then plants and flower. Plant வந்து Goa plant, and flower is Mullai flower. millets வந்து ragi and then that is kambu, that and all is the sowing the millets. Cattle rearing, gathering fruits and sowing millets, and plant is guava and the flower is the mullai flower, and animal is bear, rabbit and parrot. Bear, rabbit and parrot, and musical instrument is mullai yard. Okay, now so God வந்து திருமால், people is இடையர், இடைச்சியர், ஆயர், ஆய்ச்சியர், and occupation is cattle rearing, gathering fruits and sowing millets. Plant and flower is guava and mullai flower. Animals and birds, bear, rabbit and parrot, and musical instrument is mullai yard. Now the people and their occupation, what are the types of people? இடையர் and ஆயர் சொன்னோம். இடையரை இடைச்சியர் சொல்வாங்க, ஆயர் ஆய்ச்சியர். So we can take it as a இடையர் and ஆயர். So இடையர் and ஆயர், their occupation and the people and their occupation. So people, what are the types of the people and their occupation? So அவங்களுடைய peopleோட இது என்ன சொன்ன, இடையர் and then ஆயர். So இடையர் வந்து milk seller. So இடையர் is milk seller. Milk seller, you know, பால் விற்பவர்கள். Then ஆயர் cattle rearer. ஆயர் is cattle rearer. So இடையர் வந்து milk seller, ஆயர் வந்து cattle rearer. Then the soil, இப்போ people and the occupation பார்த்தோம். Next வந்து soil. What are the types of the soil? Soil is the land of mullai as a red soil. So மருதம்க்கு எப்படி இருந்ததோ, சாரி குறிஞ்சிக்கு எப்படி இருந்ததோ அதே மாதிரி it has a red soil. Only the red soil with stones and pebbles. Red soil with stones and pebbles. Okay. So red soil and stones and pebbles. Next, forest in Tamil Nadu. What are the types of forest? Mangrove forest, Malay forest, reserve forest and Shola forest. These are the forests. Where these forests are found, you know? Mangrove forests are found in Pichavaram in Kadalur district. Then Malay forest is Nilgiri district. Reserve forest is Kanyakumari district. And Shola forest is Coimbatore and Nilgiri district. Okay. So what are the types of forest? Mangrove forest, Malay forest, reserve forest and Shola forest. So mangrove forests are found in Pichavaram in Kadalur districts. So forest, mangrove forest, Malay forest. So these are the types of forest. Mangrove forest, Malay forest, reserve forest, Shola forest. So these are the types of forest. So these are found in, this is Pichavaram in Kadalur district. Pichavaram in Kadalur. You might have heard this fall, Pichavaram. Then Malay forest is Nilgiris district. And then reserve forest is Kanyakumari. And then Shola forest is Coimbatore and Nilgiris. Okay, children. So these are the types of forest. And now, let us know about this paper. What are the manufacturer products and the trees used to produce? What are the trees are used to for manufacturing the products? For paper, they are taking the trees bamboo, thaila and kudaivel. Paper, you know the all types of papers. So they are taking from the different types of trees, bamboo, thaila and kudaivel. Then safety matchsticks, ailai and mull ayalavu. Then fragrance oil, sandal tree. Fragrance oil is vasanai thiraviyangal, so that is scent from the sandal tree. and paint balm and soap. Balm na paint balm irukku, that soap and paint balm is Ilippai, neem and pungam. So these types of trees are used to produce the manufacturing these products. Okay, now Pichavaram forest. Pichavaram forest is found is a village near the Chidambaram. The Pichavaram is in Kadalur, I said no. That is in Chidambaram in Kadalur district. Chidambaram is Kadalur districts of Tamil Nadu, which is the second biggest mangrove forest in India. It's the very biggest mangrove forest, that is tidal forest in India. It comprises of small vegetation. சிறிய அளவில் தான் உங்களால் பயிர் பண்ண முடியும். Then aquatic animalsனால் water animals with moist temperature. This is about the Pichavaram forest. So we know about the Mullai land. So in this Mullai land we have already seen the themes. Now the Marudam land. So in Marudam land, what you have said, Marudam means field. Nilamum nilam saarndha idam. Vayalum vayal saarndha idam. Sorry. Field. That is the third one. This is the Marudam land. Marudam na vayalum vayal saarndha idamum. The vast land on the earth is called plain. So vast land, period land, vast flat land, சமமான நிலம், பெரிய அளவில் சமமான ஒரு நிலம், that is called as a plain. The crops, field and their surroundings. Cropனா பயிர் வகைகளை பயிர் பண்ணுற இடமும், and their surroundings is known as the மருதம். அதுதான் வயலும் வயல் சார்ந்த இடமும். So agricultural land and the area. So the vast land on the earth. Vastனா பெரிய அதிகமான அளவில். Vast land பெரிய on the earth. The earth is called plain. So the crop fields and the surroundings are known as Marudam. The crop fields, pulveli, vayalveli sonna illaya, the crop fields and the surroundings. The crop fields and the surroundings are known as Marudam. The agricultural land and the land area. So the vast land, the பெரிய நிறைய இடம் இருந்து on the earth, vast land on the earth, vast flat land, sorry, சமமான இடம். Flat land on the earth is called as the plain. So the crop fields and the surroundings are known as the Marudam. So what are the themes here? Same thing I said, God, people, occupation, plant and flower, animals and birds, music, all this. So God is Indiran. Indiranna Vendan. People is Ulavar, Ulathiyar. Okay, occupation, farming. Plant and flower, Kanchi, Marudam. And animals, buffaloes and crane. Music, Marudayar. Okay children, we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.